guys, so for today's vlog, I'm going to do a review on a Chanel card holder in caviar leather with silver hardware. So guys, just want to share with you, so I'm really happy that I got this Chanel card holder because it's really hard to get a hold of. They're always sold out in a store. So what happened is, as you know, here in Sydney we're in lockdown for so many months now, and then on September, on my birthday, I've been, it's my small gift to myself. So I saw a lady, she posted online that she had an SA in Chanel and she managed to get a card holder. So she bought a card holder via that SA which she communicated with, and they sent it to her at home. So I took the SA's contact number from her and I messaged her as well, and I'm so happy because they have this particular card holder that I've been, really wanted to get one in stores. So I actually, my preference is the gold hardware one, but then they don't have that one in stock. They only have the silver hardware. So I told her that's fine with me, I will get that one. So I transferred the payment, so by a bank transfer, and then the following day they sent it to me. And then actually it was Thursday when I sent the payment, and then on Sunday I received the delivery right away. So I'm really happy. So that's how quick it is. So without further ado, I'll show you what it looks like. So I haven't used this one, but I'll do a review. So I'll show you what fits in here. So when I received this, it's shipped by a DHL. It's in a paper bag, and then along with other things. So there's this card that holds the receipt for the card holder, and then there's also this this card, like how to take care of this, and then there's the velvet pouch, and there's the card holder inside. So here it is. So I love it. It has a small flap on the back, so you can put the card that you mostly use on the back section. And in here, there it is. So there's one card slot into the front, and then inside you can put a lot of card because they extend. So actually you can fit at least 15 cards on it, and it won't be too bulky. So I'll show you. I'll put 15 cards and I'll show you what it looks like. So yeah, there's a one floppy card here, so 15 inside, and you can fit one more here and one on the back, so like 17 more or less that you can fit in. So there's this cards, and there is the authenticity card as well from Chanel. So yeah, and then here, that's what it looks like. So there's like a dark maroon color lining on the inside of the card holder, and it's silver. Even the writing is in silver. So here it is. So I got it last September, and then I haven't used it because I just want to treasure it first, and then I'll use it soon. I just really love collecting small leather goods nowadays. So now I'll show you. I have these 14 cards with me. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 cards, and they fit easily. So because it's extendable, so actually you can see there's more space. Even there's already 14 cards, there's more space. But yeah, so when you close it, that's what it looks like. So it's not too bulky, you can still fit more. So yeah, Actually, I hesitated to buy this one. I was thinking either a wallet or this card holder, but then nowadays I don't really carry paper bills with me because mostly I just bring card with me, and because you can use card wherever you go, so that's why I feel like card holder would be more suitable for me and would be more useful. So yeah, I also have this key clay from Louis Vuitton. So for size comparison, you can see I'll put them together. So I'll show you how is the size for both of them. So they are like this. So they're almost same size, I would say. But with Chanel, it's a bit more classic, and it's really lovely with this flap one. But Louis Vuitton is also good. This also like for the price point, like. And also I have this one, the 6 key holder, so you can see the size comparison among 3 of them. That's how they look like. So they're almost same length, all 3 of them. So like this. So yeah, that's how it is for this 3. So I have made a separate review for the 6 key holder of Louis Vuitton, and same thing for the Louis Vuitton key clay. There's a separate review for this one too, so please click the video if you want to see what you can fit into this. And yeah, that's for the Chanel card holder. Let me show you if I put one card onto the back. So maybe this one, I'll try loyalty card. So I'll show you if you put one here. Yeah, actually, so yeah, it's close. Yeah, you can actually easily take it off, put it back on. Yeah, I think you can easily fit one card. Just one card would be fine. And yeah, it's really good. So I really love this one. I'm happy, I'm satisfied with this card holder from Chanel. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to click the notification bell, and so you can be notified when there's a new video uploaded. And also please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching my videos. See you on my next one.